In Prodigy, we have developed more than 500 board games and card games for each concept of the chapter from grade 1 to 10. The students here, instead of learning the chapters, they actually play the games and understand the chapter on their own. In our team, we have tried to bring in a lot of diversity. For example, an engineer here teaches Vedic maths to kids, a psychologist teaches English and grammar. Then we have a doctor teaching biology to the students. At the same time, we have an NIT student teaching physics and chemistry to the students. So these educationists, when they come and teach the kids here, they bring in the real world knowledge. They bring the application of these concepts and they discuss each concept in a greater depth. Here, when the students come, they are excited to come because they don't know which game they are going to play today. They are going to play some new game with a new concept, with a new strategy, and they are going to be engaged in it for an hour or two. It is like a meditative process for them where they are completely involved in the learning and it is not a burden anymore for them.
So for example, we picked this addition and subtraction concept of integers and we converted the football ground into a board game.
When we grow up, we have different styles of grasping concepts, understanding things. Sometimes we do it better by reading, sometimes we do it better by looking at it, sometimes we do it better by listening to it. So we all have our own ways, and I think Prodigy is a space which amalgamates all these different learning styles into one. So not one student is taken care of, but every kind of students are taken care of.
So each center of Prodigy is specifically called as Experience Center because the students here do not learn academics or understand academics, but they are experiencing the concepts in academics. So that is why the name called Experience Centers.